My name is Jimmy Diaz. I'm a medical doctor. I practice anti-aging and regenerative medicine in South Georgia, in a small city called Kingsland, very convenient to Jacksonville and Savannah. I had my medical school in Puerto Rico. Then I did internal medicine at New Rochelle Medical Center in New York. I started practicing internal medicine in Atlanta. I was there for many years. I think that anti-aging medicine eventually will be not the alternative, but the standard of medicine, because it's too costly to wait to treat a patient once the patient is sick. So anti-aging medicine, basically what it does is prevents by regenerating the cells. Every cell in your system was created by molecules, and all the molecules in your cells come from your food, except oxygen that you breathe. Everything else must be eaten. The quality of that food is what determines the quality of your cells. So your main ingredient to a healthy life is lifestyle change and change what you eat. If you're drinking too much or smoking or not sleeping enough, working too hard, under stress, we need to change that. Our average time with the patient is 30 minutes. We try to sit with each patient, spend enough time to know not only why the patient is there, but what can we do to change so that patient doesn't continue with the problem. We use bioidentical hormones. We test every patient. We don't just use this without testing. So we use salivary testing, 24-hour salivary testing. We use 30-day salivary testing. We test for testosterone in males. Many of our patients that has heart problems, actually what they have is low testosterone, and that's why the heart, that is a muscle, is failing. Lots of our mood changes are due to hormones. So we try to go and explore why the patient is having the problem through proper testing. We also do chelation. It removes the heavy metals from your tissues. After a while, the body takes the heavy metals from the blood and deposits in the tissues. That's why blood testing is not accurate. We do a provocative test in which we give you an IV that allows the body to get the heavy metals from the tissue into the bloodstream, from there into your kidneys and your feces, and that's what we test. Then we treat according to the report that we get from the lab on the metals that are actually in your system. And heavy metals being a toxic, and the environment having so much toxins present is a major problem in America these days. We do cancer support. We treat patients with cancer support treatments approved by the FDA that will enhance the body response to any cancer cell in your system. This treatment, in conjunction with chemotherapy and radiotherapy, and sometimes alone, will help your system to get rid of cancer cells. So we treat these patients by modulating their immune system. So their immune system is able to identify cancer cells. We also specialize in low back treatment of patients with problems with the cervical or low back disc problems with a machine called VAX-D. It's a beautiful technology that allows the disc to get back into place without surgery. So it's a non-invasive treatment for these problems that avoids surgery in 80% of the patients. If you need to contact us, you can call 912-729-7332. You can contact us by email at drjimmydiaz@tds.net or visit our website.